welcome back to my channel. This is Apsarah from Zero Effort Beauty. I just got married. I've been having like a lot of stuff happening like the past few months. Just came back from my honeymoon. I had a very relaxing 2-week stay in paradise. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to Zero Effort Beauty. I upload weekly. I actually have a haul I wanted to show you guys. So I got a couple of underwears. These are like, it's like a 3-piece. These are size medium. They're cotton stretch 3 bikinis. This one's a really cute design. It's like a Netflix and it has snap, flicks, chill. And it has like popcorn, like sleeping kind of like logos. So this one's really cute. I feel like these are handy, especially when you're on your monthly, on your period. These are always very necessary. And then I have one that says chill. This one's really cute. And then a black one, so just a plain black one. Then I got a bralette. This one is from Free People. The brand is called Free People. These are so comfortable. Like lately as I get older, I feel like wireless or just cotton bralettes are so comfortable, and I'm all about comfort but still sexiness. And when you just wear this with like kind of like a low cut shirt or just like a tank top and just a little bit of laces peeking through, it's like really cute. It doesn't look like a bra. So I got a couple of the bralettes, and then this one is by Vanity Fair. This is kind of like a nude, it's very like, I don't know what, it's like a cooling touch hip brief, and I got a size 7, which is a large, but you know, for my big booty. But yeah, these are just so handy when you're wearing like something like, it's not necessarily see-through, but it's like a white dress. I have a couple white dresses and I like to wear like a nude underwear so you don't see it. This bralette from Free People, this is another brand or another bralette. This one's kind of like a halter top, but it's like lacy, very pretty. And then the back looks like this. And that one's a size small. I actually tried it on like around, like right here, because I didn't want to go in the fitting room, and it looks like it fits. So I like wearing that with like kind of like a low cut, like a romper. And then I also have this other one I got. This one is by the brand Raffaella Sportswear. I really like this brand. I'm not sure where you can find it, but this is what the logo looks like. It's called Raffaella. I think I'm gonna search it and see, maybe it looks kind of like a Nordstrom or Macy's brand, but this, like, again, I'm all about the nudes, and they're so important underneath like a white shirt or white blouse. And this one's like lacy. This one doesn't have padding in it, which I really like too. And this is what the back looks like. This is another Free People bralette I got. This one's more of a kind of like a coral pink color, and the back is clear. It's kind of like transparent. It's a lace transparent. So this one's really, really pretty, super comfortable. And I got a size either large or extra large. They had other colors. This one is I'm not sure. This one's like a panty. This one's super cute too. This is a nude one. It has lace. It kind of stops like right here, and then it gets sheer. And then on the front, this is what it looks like. Really cute, kind of like a V-neck, cheeky bottom. Okay, you guys, this one is so cute. This one it reminds me of like a really expensive lingerie. It's called Mimi Holiday, but it's kind of like, it's not a granny underwear, but it's kind of like a very high cut, high like leg underwear. But this one is so pretty. I don't even think this is an underwear. This is more like a lingerie, kind of sexy. So this is the back, and then the front looks like this. So it's super high-waisted, high leg, and then it's all like lace. Look at that detail, you guys. That's super gorgeous. So it's called Mimi Holiday. I gotta search this too. But I like how it kind of you know, looks very detailed. This one, I did not get it because it said work it, but the band reminds me of like Calvin Klein or like kind of the sporty underwears, but this one was meant for like when you're on your monthly period, kind of thing, booty shorts. But these are so handy when you just want to like a full coverage underwear. I got a gray one, a black one, and a red one. So these are like booty shorts, work it, elastic shorts. This underwear, it's like a nude underwear, size 7. It has like lace on top, and it's like a bikini underwear. And then it has like a very nice soft fabric too. So this is what the front looks like, and the back kind of has like a stripe kind of silky material, and then the lace. So I'm very happy with my purchases. I'm gonna be set for the next couple months with underwear and bras. I got some 9 West shoes. This is what it looks like. It has, I don't know if they're called Oxford, but they're so comfortable, you guys. I cannot resist not like getting these. But it's like a suede material. It has like these embellishments of like dragonflies or bumblebees. I'm not sure. I think they're dragonflies. I love the V, like kind of like the sharp, kind of pointy shoes they are. But inside they're like cotton. And again, these are by 9 West. They're so, so comfortable. These are the only ones I saw there, and I had to get them, and I don't care. But they kind of remind me of like a knockoff to like Gucci. So love these. And last but not least, I have these shoes are from White Mountain. And these kind of remind me when I was like younger, when I was a little girl. They're kind of like they go high on the ankle, and you can kind of buckle them, and then they go like this. So they're kind of not like a thong, which I really like. A lot of sandals that I get are like kind of thongish, which I'm kind of getting tired. I mean, they're cute and stuff, but like I'm trying to go differently. So I'm saving these for the summer when it gets a little hotter. Wait till I wear these. These are all black. This is what they look like, and I'm really loving them. And I got a size 8. All right, so that completes my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big giant thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Zero Effort Beauty for more videos. I upload every single week, and we will see you guys next time. Thanks, guys.